Belum kah? Ang John Debroma, Bangalore di Prasani Korok sa volunteers. Hanya hai video selanjutnya paypiru ka chini requirement na tuye job opportunity in Bangalore again. So tini ni requirement hanggang ka tongo chin tani housekeeping ni bagay. Komi 1, 2, 3 and CDP tarpore service hanggawan pore hanggang ka kaisa manager ni post bo tongo. Kaisa ka details na layan sekarang sengceng na housekeeping itu. So housekeeping ni bagay nyo gagang saiman no bubahay housekeeping samong kuno jaga ba molo ni mano ba restaurant ng mano ba hotel o room service jaga puno mano. So housekeeping job o PF tong nai ESI tong nai hanggang kay salary ng nai hanggang like 10,000 to 14,000. Abang kan nong salary ingat, angka itu to PF logo tanai take home 10 to 12,000. Karena pun bagai asal educated dengan nanya normal lah, ABC di sini kan no tunggu. So second thing lain di sini Komi 1, 2, 3 and CDP. So Komi 1 level ni requirements of women hingga ke airport road ni bagai. O jaga ESI tonglak, PF tonglak, but salary package belai no kaham Komi 1 money manai 16 to 18,000 plus service charge and Komi 2 money manai again 14 to 16,000 plus service charge and Komi 3 tongnai 10 to 14,000 plus service charge. CDP ni bagai especially interview na tongnai company ni hoite salary 25,000 plus service charge tokungana. And tarpore salanya service ni ko service ni bagai hinggang kay salary 16,000 plus service charge around 20,000 to normally paying. And all yang job ni update rate omo joto no food and accommodation free ganang no. And tekesha manage service ni ko salema ni service hinggang kay basic English mana nang nai and experience ganang hinggang kay 16,000 salary nai. Nung jadi service o kanya na experience kari hinggang kay 10,000 ni 12,000 starting plus service charging nai. And manager ni ko sana thanga manager ni bagay je owner of the company MD by mama lainnya salary package number one discuss makanya but nang manager ni bagay experience tonga nang nai nang onyo jaga manager kai pajak nang nai hinggang kay nang malayay company ni malik bay ba company ni MD bay box hawe nang job na join kan oba hikeno ang tebo job ni update tubu chini tahok tay bakuk ti prasarong no cobanan bagay full try kay tongo nang chini Bangalore ti prasarong bo completely try kay tongo kebang ma ti prasarong na help kay man natin kebang ma ti prasarong no job riman natin jang try kay tongo jang je mansak kay tongo and norok to ani phone number nuga na tolawo so WhatsApp kay man no contact kay man no je interested nang nairo to na sa ko kolok sewo yor no ang video na chikon sa kay naragan any question tong ang kan WhatsApp text ay din ang apni reply ron to na hanyo hai belum kah entai belanya hambay na itong mabagan lagi won tong ni Bangalore di Prasani.